Hello, and welcome back to our channel once again. Please do us a favor and click on the free subscribe button, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on your views on this video in the comment section for free. Thank you. In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 things you really shouldn't tolerate in your relationship. Everyone has their own list of things they would never tolerate in a relationship. This list usually comes from past relationships and things you have seen around you. While no relationship is perfect, understanding what behaviors are important warning signs can help you find a happy and fulfilling partnership. I know that during my many failed relationships, I never really knew or understood what was okay and what was not. It was not until I took a relationship break and took a big step back that I started to see all the red flags that I often overlooked. There are many relationship issues that should not be tolerated. I am curious to know what yours are, but below are a few that I refuse to put up with, and maybe they will help you in your love life as they have helped me in mine. 1. Being insignificant. Life is overwhelming. Sometimes things get out of balance, and your relationship gets put on the back burner. But if it's a common occurrence, then it's time to change the dynamic. My ex used to have guy night every single night, and looking back on it, I remember how crushed I would feel over the canceled dates and feeling like he didn't care enough about me to even spend time with me. I wasn't a priority, and it really does make you feel like crap when it seems like all you do is try, but the one you claim to be in love with would rather spend time with his friends instead of you. When your partner is your priority, it means their emotional needs are as important as your own. You prioritize how they feel, what they want, need, etc., and your relationship is a safe place for the two of you. Putting your partner first means his or her needs, feelings, and well-being takes priority over other people or things. 2. Emotional, verbal, or physically assaulted. Abusive relationships often start out as controlling ones. First, there are the minor details, such as wondering who you're talking to or why you're going out with your pals when you might be with them instead. It's questioning why you loved X, Y, and Z's images on the internet, and whether X had the guts to invite you to meet them for coffee. Next, they start making fun of you, poking at things they know are private or sensitive, and when you try to express how it makes you feel, they gaslight you. When you're in love with someone, it's easy to let things slip. You tell yourself it's your fault you made them angry, it's your fault you didn't respond in a timely manner, everything is your fault, and that's why they're acting out. That's why they break your heart with emotional abuse, that's why they obliterate your confidence with verbal abuse. They'll never actually hit me. You tell yourself. Until it happens, and they swear they won't ever do it again. It's a never-ending cycle that you are better off getting out of before it starts. If you feel you are in such a relationship, walk away. If you are afraid, talk to someone who can help you safely remove yourself from the situation and end the relationship. They're not worth it. You deserve more. 3. Belittling your aspirations and dreams. It's not possible to have a happy and healthy relationship with someone who doesn't want to see you achieve your goals and aspirations. My ex never understood my dreams. And instead of trying, he would just tell me they were too far-fetched or stupid. It's not realistic to live by the beach, or, it's not realistic to work for yourself. Don't be stupid, apply for a real job like a regular adult. There's a huge difference between someone who provides constructive criticism and someone who insults your work ethic, mocks your dreams, or tries to convince you to give up. If you ever find yourself in a place where you feel like your partner isn't even willing to understand why you want a certain lifestyle for yourself, you need to confront the issue, or walk away from the relationship because it's not doing you any good to stay with someone who doesn't want the best for you. 4. Wandering eyes. I can't respect a man who looks at other women while with me. It's unacceptable, I've been through it before, and I refuse to ever put up with it again. There's nothing worse than being on a date with someone you care about and seeing them eye the waitress's ass when she walks away. Or when you're trying to have a conversation with them, and as you notice them looking at something, you follow their line of vision only to have it land on some smoking bombshell walking by. There are a lot of attractive people in the world, beautiful women who look like they descended from heaven, men who look like Greek gods, but at the end of the day, you have to remain faithful emotionally and physically to the person you claim to love. 5. A lack of respect. Boundaries are important to establish within any relationship, so you don't overstep or make the other person feel disrespected in any way. There are also little things that are sort of, well, common sense. For instance, not sharing the things you tell one another in confidence with other people, or not bringing up your insecurities and throwing them in your face. A few years ago, I was dating someone who honestly didn't even understand the meaning of respect. One thing in particular he did was shame me for eating or missing gym sessions. I've always had body image issues. He knew about them, but instead of giving me constructive criticism or simply being supportive, he would say things like, "No wonder you're overweight. You skipped the gym today." If your partner likes to crack jokes about your feelings, or they bring up sensitive topics, or maybe they simply overstep constantly with little to no thought as to how it will affect you, then it's a huge sign that your partner doesn't respect you or your emotional well-being. You deserve better. You should never feel like you're settling when it comes to your love life. You should never feel like you're settling, in general, actually. Life is filled with incredible individuals that are dying for the opportunity to meet you and treat you right. So stop bypassing the red flags, stop tolerating unacceptable behavior because you're scared you won't find someone better. Take the time to make a list of things you will not tolerate and stick to it. Make a commitment to yourself that the next person you choose to love will treat you precisely as you deserve to be treated. Well, so there you have it. These are the 5 things you really shouldn't tolerate in your relationship. Please do us a favor and click on the red subscribe button for free, and don't forget to like, share, and leave your comments below as well. Thank you. See you in the next one.